going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, look at this behemoth. I want to give a big rock and roll shout out to Jill from Klipsch Audio for sending this out to the studio. Thank you so much for sending this out. This is the big, mean, large and in charge ProMedia 2.1 THX computer speaker system, or speakers. This is really premium, high grade, big boy stuff. This THX certified, so I would recommend blasting Metallica or Rob Zombie off these. I mean, really piss off the neighbors. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Klipsch logo right in the front there. And then, as you can see, I have a nice logo up there too. ProMedia 2.1 THX Premium Desktop Speaker System. We have, and as you can see, there is a little bit of shipping stuff on there that's kind of stuck on there. Not really much I can do about getting that off, okay? And then we have the product itself, the THX logo, okay? So you'll know you're going to be getting an earful out of this, okay? Now, I am not going to, there are some sides of the box I can't show, but the other side still has all the shipping crap on there. So I can't get my physical address. I can't get the studio address up there, so I'm not going to show that side. So, but I will show you the side that doesn't have the address. Okay, so on the back here, we actually get another thing of it, okay? Premium desktop speaker system, legendary, 200 watts of power, all this other stuff, and look at all these features, okay? So, burn included. Good for dynamic, powerful bass, 200 watts of power, high output, dynamic sounds. Look at all of this. These are some big boy speakers. And of course, you get some other features on the other side. Let's get these open, shall we? Sometimes PCI Express. Sometimes these little PCI brackets come really in handy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this top of the box open and we'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this bad boy open. Right off the top here, we're going to have a little user's manual. User's got in his cute little baggie here. And then, did I throw anything else all that? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, guys, and we got the speakers themselves in here. Okay. You can feel that new speaker smell. One. Okay, I'm going to have to move this back just because this thing is so big. Two. And we have the big boy subwoofer right in there. So let's get this thing out, shall we? Holy Christmas trees. This is ginormous, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you like the smell of new electronics, guys? I'm going to have to move this back just because we got all the stuff. Okay, guys. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have everything unboxed, and they really secured some of this stuff, so I had to do some of the unboxing off camera. But ladies and gentlemen, this is what we get. We get some clips, so we get some literature, including a manual. Then we get this whole glob of wires, including a small adapter plate. So this actually goes under one of the speakers, and it just slides and connects in. And this is going to be your controller that you're going to use. Okay. Like your subwoofer, your main volume, and all that fun stuff. And then we have the speakers themselves. Look how stupidly ginormous this thing is. This thing is really, really big. This is big boy stuff. Now, you better stay tuned for the review because it's going to be awesome. Well, if you like this video, you know what to do. You hit that like button if you liked it. You hit that dislike button if you disliked it. And if you adored it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button. Slap that like button in the face and pow, right in the kisser. I want to give a big rock and roll shout out to Jill from Klipsch Audio for sending this big ginormous thing to the studio. Be sure you stay tuned for the full video review coming soon to Techno Warriors TV.